In HTML, it is important to understand the components of wrapping tags. The idea of wrapping tags is to always house elements within the tag before you close them. For example, let's create a wrapping tag from scratch. I'm going to go over and type in div id equals content. When we type elements such as id equals content, this is simply an identifier that will allow us to use our CSS in a later chapter to style this area of the website. We will now go and close this tag. By closing this tag, any elements that fit within here will be housed in our div id equals content section. This will allow us to wrap all of our coding within this element. Let's add a headline and a paragraph to this. We will open a tag and call it h1 for our headline, and we'll just write some headline content. And we will now close the headline. Let's now add a paragraph within our content. So we'll open the tag, hit P, and this will create a paragraph for our HTML. Some paragraph content piece goes here. And we will now close this element. By keeping all these elements within the div id equals content, we have now successfully wrapped the HTML. Let's see how this looks on the front end of the website. We will preview it in Google Chrome. By previewing it, you can see how our sum headline content and our sum paragraph have been wrapped around one div element, which we will be able to style in a later chapter.